Hello, I'm Jim Brewer for Rooftop Safety USA, and today we're going to show you how to replace the tip on your RidgePro pole. The first generation RidgePro poles had a cast aluminum thread here. You can see the actual screw has broken off. So we're just going to show you how to repair that so you can get your RidgePro back to work. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is get this old fitting out, and there's two screws here, two Phillips head screws. We're going to take those out. Alright, we got both screws out. Then usually you need a pair of channel locks or something to encourage this cast piece to come out. There we go, a little bit of wiggling, we got her out. Okay, so now the new tip comes with a bolt. Okay, so you put the new piece in, and then you just have to drill a hole through here, all the way through to accept the bolt. So we're going to do that. I'm drilling right through the same holes that the screws were in. Hopefully it will come out right through the other hole on the back side. Oops, gotta hold that.
Okay.
All right, so we're drilled all the way through. Hopefully the bolt will slide right on down in there. Boom. Just like that. Put our nut on. Alright, just like that, we got us a new thread on our pole. So this RidgePro pole is ready to go back to work. So we have these tips available at Rooftop Safety USA. So if your old tip is broken off, you can restore your pole and get back to working safely on the roof. So thanks. Okay, so for part 2 of the repair, we have to drill a hole in the threaded tip here so that when we screw the RidgePro head on, we can insert the pin and lock it in place. So to do that, you first want to screw this on to the pole. Okay, and then my assistant Frank is going to hold the end of it just so it's not flopping around while I'm drilling, and I'm going to drill right down through the RidgePro head through the threaded tip. Okay, so we're using a 1/4 inch drill bit, and we're going to drill right on through here. Okay, so we've drilled all the way down through there. Let's see if our pin goes in. Voila, the pin is in and locked. And so there we have a completed RidgePro repair, and this RidgePro is ready to go back to work. So, thank you.